Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you order a new Tesco Club card in the app. So here's a guide for replacement and also digital card. Step 1. Open the Account Management Hub. Launch the official Tesco Grocery and Club Card app on your phone. Sign in to your account using your registered email address and password. Tap on the account or profile icon located in the navigation menu layout. Step 2. Access your digital club card instantly. Tap the Primary Club Card tab at the bottom of the home screen. View your unique digital club card barcode displayed directly on the screen. Scan the screen at any in-store checkout till to collect your points without any physical card. Add the barcode to your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet for quicker access. Step 3. Request a new or replacement of physical card. Navigate into the Club Card Management or Card Options submenu. Select the setting option labeled as Request a Replacement Club Card. Choose your reason for the request, such as lost, stolen, or damaged card. Verify or update your primary home mailing address listed on the confirmation screen. Click the Confirm button to have a new plastic card posted to you within 5 to 7 working days. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also hit the subscribe button.